box like this I have taken. This is a packaging box. So I'm going to use this. Remove all the sellotapes from this box so that we can glue it properly. So from both the sides, just remove all the sellotapes in this manner. So this is it. Now we are going to take this rectangular surface only. We do not need the sides. We do not need this part. We are going to use only this center part. Both the sides we are going to use this center rectangular part. So I am going to cut out this particular area and I'll show you. See, I have cutted this. We need two to make it more stronger. You can use one also, or you can use the hardwood also. Now we are going to mark 6 cm from all the sides as a frame. We are going to mark 6 cm or whatever width you want for your frame. You can take it. It is optional totally. You can take 10 cm also, but I am taking 6 cm as my frame. So I'll draw the lines. See, I have marked the 6 cm as my frame now. But before cutting this, I am just going to add a mark at here at 10 cm on this side and here also 10 cm and make a slant line this way. So we are not going to cut this part. Same thing we are going to do on the opposite side. So this will be a pattern. So mark here at 10 cm. Here also 10 cm and then this. So we are not going to cut this and that. Rest all we are going to cut it. So see, now it's done. I have covered the whole frame with a white paper. You can use any colored paper also. It is totally optional. Don't worry about this all patches. We need to cover a whole frame with the paper so that our edges are smooth. And now don't worry about these patches because we are going to decorate this frame. So see how strong this frame is. You can use hardboard also instead of this, or thermocol also, but I prefer to make it from the waste. So the frame is complete, and I have already shared the video of this beautiful flowers. See this. See this lovely flowers of different sizes, and this one is a huge flower. The video is already shared. I'll share the link in the description also, and I'll share the link in the cards also above. So please check it out because this is a wonderful DIY that you can make for birthday parties, anniversaries also, and this is going to look very lovely. So let's start. So now we need a glitter sheet. You can use any color, but I'm using this color. And we need a paper, pencil and scissor, and we are going to write the alphabets on this. So the alphabets of the name you want to write. So I'm writing here my daughter's name. So now let this dry completely, and we are going to add these two handles on the back side to hold this photo booth, so that our photo booth is safe enough for everyone to click the pics. This I have got the handles for 10 rupees each, and we are going to glue it with the hot glue on the back side so that you can hold this photo frame for the photo easily. So we are going to use hot glue, and this is totally optional. See, now it's dry, so you can hold it in this manner. See how perfectly you can hold this. So here it is. See how lovely this looks, and here are the lovely pictures which you can click holding this beautiful photo booth frame. So it's done. I hope you like this DIY. You can make it easily at home, and these flowers are super easy. Please do watch the video. The link is in the description and also in the cards. So do comment me about this video, and do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.